How to adjust photo time on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust photo time on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open your TikTok app from your phone, and once you open it, just click on the plus button at the bottom mid so we can create a new TikTok. And it should open your camera page. And let's just click on this upload option right beside the shutter button. And this is where we will select the photos we want for our TikTok video. So let's just click on this photos tab over here so we can navigate easily. And next thing that we're going to make sure is to click on this select multiple option at the bottom left corner. And that will enable us to select multiple photos. So just select the photos you want by clicking on the little circle on a photo. I'm just going to select the photos I want. And once you have selected your photos, the next thing that we're going to do is to select one random video. So let's just click on the videos tab right here. So it doesn't matter what video it is because we are going to remove it later on since we will only want photos on this TikTok. So I'm just going to select a random video. And after you have selected a random video, just click on next at the bottom right hand corner and wait for it to be created. After that, let's just click on this adjust clips option over here that should be seen since we have added one video to our TikTok video. Just click on adjust clips, and what you're going to do is to select the video that we added, the random video that we added, and let's just click on this delete button right here, so that it will be removed from our TikTok. And from here, we can also adjust the duration of each photo or to adjust the photo time of each picture on our TikTok. So to adjust it, let's just drag these markers over here. If you want to make it shorter, just do it like that. Drag it from right to left. And if you want to lengthen the picture, if you want to show it longer, just click on this icon right here, right beside the delete button. And you can click on this one. So as you can see, it increased the photo duration. It is already 5.9 seconds. So I'm just going to set it at 1 times. And you can easily adjust the photo time of each photo like that. Just click on the check mark if you're done adjusting the duration or the photo time. And once you have set everything up, just click on save right here at the top right corner. Just click on next. And you can then post it to your TikTok account. So that is how you can basically adjust photo time on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.